Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Trust Wallet network fee problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now search for Trust Wallet, and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, then update it first. Once it is done, open the app. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. But if it's not fixed, then tap on Settings from the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on your wallet, and then tap on these three dots. Now, change the name of your wallet, as sometimes changing Name Your Wallet can fix these types of issues. If it's not fixed yet, then go back and tap on this plus icon at the top right. Tap on Create a New Wallet. Now create a new wallet and your problem will be fixed. If you are still facing this issue, lastly go to the phone settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, search for Trust Wallet. Now go to Storage section. Here, clear cache and data in order to get rid of extra data and bugs. This will fix the problem you're facing during the transaction. So that's basically how you can fix Trust Wallet network fee problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.